Time is money and everything, especially in farming and business. And when you can cut the time, you can make some money. My name is Shane Crane. We're here in Kentucky Turf Company here in Lexington, Kentucky. When I started in 2014, we had a few different other brands, but when we were obviously looking to switch and just come up with something a little bit more efficient, we've had these Trimaxes, I believe. We bought them. They were delivered to us in 2020. Obviously, we had one, we loved it, got a second one. You know, usually if you get one, you like it. If you get a second one, you really like it. The maintenance stuff on them is pretty much nothing. I mean, it's no brainer compared to all the other brands that we had. The maintenance on it, well, I say maintenance, you really don't have to do no maintenance. When you're working, you got a small crew and you're trying to mow a lot of acreage, if you can get in and go, you got a good brand. You don't have to grease the main drive bearings every single time. Other companies you do. That saves you time on that. The extra 2 feet on both sides. We always had 22-foot stuff. When they use the 24, it don't really, 2 feet don't seem like a big deal. When you're going 2, 3, 4, 500 acres, that 2 feet's a big deal. It's a gigantic deal. Instead of doing 8 hours, now you got 6 hours. That other 2 hours is a big deal. I mean, just even something as simple as adjusting the height compared on some of the other mowers. That little knob that's out on these mowers, some of the other mowers that we had in the past didn't have that. So it's really, really easy to control that instead of sitting there and fighting it. The belt system, you're not burning off belts, you know, especially when you're in really tall stuff coming, you know, this stuff can handle it. The way that these blades are, they mulch it a lot better than all of our other brands. We could physically see the difference. And our grasses benefited from it. Yeah, they're foam filled. All the other ones that we had weren't foam filled. And where I'm physically the mechanic, I send a guy to go mow. Hey, I've got a tire flat. You gotta be kidding me. Go back to time and money. So now I have to physically stop what I'm doing, go air up a tire. I don't have to air them up. I can show up and, like I said, if you can get on it and go, sign me up. I believe this one field that we have is 170 acres. And if I'm not mistaken, it takes anywhere between 8 to 10 hours when, you know, come springtime to completely get through it all. Looking back, I believe we can all do it in one tank, maybe 1.5 tanks. With the other brands, I know it at least took about 3. So yeah, time and money. But it just goes back to the maintenance part. You tell me that I gotta change blades every 4 years, heck yeah, where do I sign up? And that they'll perform. Not this, okay, I'm lazy to do it, but they'll perform. Like I said, when I say maintenance is low on them, they're pretty low. Overall, it's a no-brainer. Yes, this machine is definitely reliable. I used to say if you keep it indoors, but you don't have to keep it indoors anymore. It's made to be outside. Even if you leave it outside during the winter, the stainless decking is not going to rust out like all the other, you know, brands that we've physically had in the past. I haven't done any major overhauling to any of this, which is very rare, especially when you're running this stuff as much as you are. Customer service is everything. When you buy a machine, you're buying customer service. If the customer service ain't nothing, I'd rather not have the machine. It goes back to the time and money thing. The one time we did have a bearing go out, I actually think I got it here in the next day. If you just want it normal ground, from Georgia to Kentucky here in 2 days, yeah, I'll take it. No, the proof's in the pudding. We're not switching nothing.